Welcome to biology online class. In last class, we have started the topic is getting to know plants. In this topic, we have discussed about different types of plants like herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Herbs are delicate and small or soft stem. These plants are called herbs. Example, tomato, vegetables. Shrubs are nothing but bushes. Then there is woody plant. Small and thin woody plants are called shrubs. Then example, the type of plants are hibiscus. The type of plant is hibiscus, and another type of plants also is example of shrubs. Next, another one is trees. Very big and tall trees or thick woody trees are called trees. Okay, it is completed. Then another one is creepers. They have weak stem. They cannot upright, and they are present on the ground are called creepers. Example, pumpkin, watermelon and cucumber. These are called creepers. Some plants, weak stem, they need to support to climb up. They need support to climb up. This type of plants are called climbers. Example, money plant and grapevine. It is also completed. Next, stem. Stem is important part of the plant. It transports water and minerals to different parts of the plant, and it is bears the leaves, branches, flowers and fruits. Okay, next we will discuss about the topic is leaf. Leaf is a green in color. Leaf is a green in color. Green in color. Why the leaves are appear green color? See, observe carefully. Then all leaves are green in color. Okay. Why the leaves are green color? Because it present a pigment is called chlorophyll. It present a pigment is called chlorophyll. That's why they are appear green color. Okay. Then leaves are absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, then water from the roots. In the presence of sunlight, they are preparing food materials. This process is called photosynthesis. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay. Then leaves are called food factory of the plant. Leaves are called food factory of the plant. They are preparing food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, the food is carbohydrates or starch. Carbohydrates or starch. Okay, we will discuss about the leaf. See, the attached stem of the part of a leaf is called petiole. The attached part of the leaf. The stem is attached part of the leaf is called petiole. Okay, next it is a stem, is a leaf. Next, another one is here is present a from petiole to arranged a broad part of the leaf is called lamina. Broad part of the leaf is called lamina. Then inside the leaf is present a small beams are arranged. Small beams are arranged. The arrangement of beams is called venation. Then middle of the leaf is present a small bean-like structure is called midrib. It is called midrib. Okay. So leaf. Leaf is a green in color. Leaf is a green in color, and it is preparing food by the process of photosynthesis. Preparing food by the process of photosynthesis. Then the stem attached part of the leaf is called petiole. A stem veins, that is called lateral veins. Veins and lateral veins. It is a structure of the leaf. Then leaf is preparing food by the process of photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means the leaves are absorbing water from the roots and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In the presence of sunlight, they are preparing food. Why this process is called photosynthesis? Photosynthesis or light energy is converted into chemical energy. Light energy is converted into chemical energy is called photosynthesis. Now we will discuss about the photosynthesis. Okay. Then photosynthesis. Plant leaves taking water from the soil, water from the roots, carbon dioxide from the atmospheric air, carbon dioxide from the atmospheric air in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. This process is called photosynthesis. In this process, they are preparing food materials like carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Okay. Our carbohydrates are otherwise called starch also. Carbohydrates otherwise called starch. Okay. Say photosynthesis. Plant leaves taking water from the roots, carbon dioxide from the atmospheric air in the presence of sunlight. They prepare food. They prepare food. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay. This process is called photosynthesis. Next, another one is venation. Another one is venation. All plants having same type of venation. For example, maize and beans. No, different plants having different types of venation. For example, beans. Beans are present reticulate venation. Then maize is present parallel venation. Okay, we will discuss about that venation. Different plants having different types of venation. What is the definition of venation? Arrangement of beans in the leaf is called venation. Arrangement of beans in the leaf is called venation. Arrangement of beans in the leaf is called venation. For example, hibiscus. Hibiscus leaf. The beans are arranged in a network-like structure. Net-like both sides. Net-like both sides. This type of venation is called reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Okay, hibiscus plant. The beans are arranged in a net-like both sides. This type of venation is called reticulate venation. Arrangement of beans in the leaf is called venation. For example, hibiscus, neem, the leaves, beans are present in a net-like structures in both sides. They are arranging the beans from grid to net-like structure. This type of venation is called reticulate venation. Next, another one is parallel of the leaf. This type of venation is called parallel venation. Parallel venation. Example, grass and rice, wheat, maize. This type of venation is present in the plant. Parallel venation. All veins are arising from the base of the plant to tip of the plant. They are parallel one to another. The veins are parallel one to another. This type of venation is called parallel venation. Parallel venation is present in grass plants like rice, wheat, maize. These plants are present parallel venation. Next, another one is transpiration. We observe different types of plants in our surroundings. Then all plants are same leaves? No. Then different plants having different types of leaves. Some are big leaves, some plants have small leaves. Okay. Same the way the venation also different from one plant to another plant. For example, grass plant have parallel venation and remaining hibiscus, neem, mango having reticulate venation. Next, another one is transpiration. Transpiration means excess amount of water sending out of the plant in the form of water vapor. Excess amount of water sending out in the form of water vapor is called transpiration. Okay, listen carefully. Excess amount of water sending out. Excess amount of water sending out in the form of vapor. In the form of vapor or water vapor. Water vapor is called transpiration. Okay, so take a one potted plant. Take a one potted plant. And these leaves are covered by one thin polythene cover. Thin polythene cover. Okay, it is a thin polythene cover. We kept it overnight. The next day morning we have to observe a small droplets of water is present surrounding of the cover. Surrounding of the cover. This is called transpiration. This is called transpiration. See, observe children carefully. Excess amount of water sending out in the form of water vapor is called transpiration. Take a one water plant and cover the leaf. Their help of thin polythene cover till overnight. Next day morning we have to observe that a small droplets of water is present on surrounding of the polythene cover. This process is called transpiration. Next, discuss about that different types of roots. Different types of roots. Roots also different types. What is the function of root? Root is a very important part of the plant because it is hold the plant in the soil. It is hold the plant in the soil and it is absorbing water and minerals from the soil. Water and minerals from the soil. Okay, and it is present main root. It is penetrating the soil very deep layers. Very deep layers and absorbing minerals and water from the soil and transport different parts of the plant. Different parts of the plant. Okay, roots. Then roots are present below the ground. It present below the ground. It present below the ground. For example, observe carefully. The roots are present below the ground. This root is called main root. This root is called main root. Then another roots are called lateral roots. These are called lateral roots. Lateral roots. Root is helping the plant fix in the soil. It helps the plant fix in the soil. The plant fix in the soil. Okay. For example, take a plant and observe carefully. There present a main root. It present a main root. This main root is called tap root. The main root is called tap root. Then remaining small roots are present arising from the main root are called lateral roots. A small roots arising from the main root are called lateral roots. Okay, this type of root system is called tap root system. This type of root system is called tap root system. Okay, so roots main function, it helps the plant to fix the soil. It present below the ground. It helps the plant fix the soil. Next, and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay. Then roots are present in main root. From main root arising the small roots are called lateral roots. Based on that, roots are divided into two types. Based on main root, then roots are divided into two types. Roots are two types. One is tap root system and fibrous root system. One is tap root system and fibrous root system. Fibrous root system. Okay, thank you. Next section we are discuss about the types of